Horton Altered 4-link drag car. Price: $18,500. Location: Maryville, Tennessee. A race-ready Horton altered drag car built for competitive 8th-mile racing and equipped with proven big-block Chevrolet power. Purpose-built for the drag strip, this lightweight altered features a professionally constructed chassis, updated mechanical components, and a combination capable of delivering consistent performance. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 running on gasoline. The engine is fitted with comp cylinder heads and is described as having low runs since its most recent build, providing strong naturally aspirated performance. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. Volkswagen-powered Dune Buggy. Price: $2,500. Location: Golden Valley, Arizona. A budget-friendly Volkswagen-powered Dune Buggy/sandrail built for off-road fun and recreational driving. Lightweight and simple in design, this buggy offers an affordable entry into the world of sandrails, trail riding, or desert cruising. Its open-frame construction and rear-mounted air-cooled engine provide the classic off-road experience that has made VW-based buggies popular for decades. Power comes from an air-cooled Volkswagen dual-port engine, reported by the seller to be a strong-running and powerful setup. While the exact engine displacement is uncertain, it is described as delivering quick acceleration and impressive performance. 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Price: $123. Location: Alden, New York. A 1968 Volkswagen Beetle offered as a low-cost restoration project, described as nearly completed with only minor finishing work remaining. This classic air-cooled VW has undergone restoration work and is positioned as a budget-friendly opportunity for someone willing to complete the final stages, primarily interior assembly and minor detailing. The vehicle is reported to be originally from California, with the seller stating it has no rust or structural holes, making it a solid foundation for a restoration project. This is an important advantage in classic Beetle builds, where rust-free shells are increasingly valuable and difficult to find. The seller indicates that most of the necessary parts are already included with the car, particularly interior components needed to complete the project. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $14,000. Location, West Milford, New Jersey. Classic-style T-Bucket hot rod built for simple street cruising and weekend driving, combining traditional open-wheel styling with updated mechanical reliability. Despite the 1923/1925 mix in the listing, the vehicle is presented as a Ford T-Bucket-style hot rod with a lightweight custom chassis and Ford-based drivetrain components. Power comes from a Ford 2.8 LV6 engine paired with a Ford 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable street performance rather than extreme drag-focused output. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 8-inch rear end, a commonly used and durable rear axle choice for hot rods due to its strength and parts availability. 1958 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $8,750. Mileage, 82,000 miles. Location, Prior Lake, Minnesota. Classic Volkswagen-based Dune Buggy built for recreational driving and weekend fun, combining vintage air-cooled simplicity with a lightweight fiberglass off-road body. This buggy is powered by a professionally rebuilt 1,776 cubic centimeters Type 1 air-cooled VW engine equipped with dual Weber carburetors, giving it a noticeably stronger and more responsive performance than a stock setup. The engine is paired with a manual transmission and retains the traditional rear-engine Volkswagen drivetrain layout, known for its simplicity and ease of maintenance. The combination delivers a lively, go-kart-like driving experience that is well-suited for cruising, shows, and light off-road use. 2008 AC Shelby Cobra Replica. Price, $40,000. Mileage, 12,986 miles. Location, Attica, Indiana. A 2008-built AC Shelby Cobra Replica that is titled as a 1966 model, offering classic Cobra styling with modern-era replica construction. This vehicle is presented as a driver-focused performance roadster built to capture the look and feel of the original Shelby Cobra. Powertrain details are partially unknown, though the seller believes it may be based on a 427-style engine configuration. The drivetrain is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a solid rear axle setup, maintaining a traditional, raw performance layout. The suspension features coilovers at all 4 corners, improving handling and ride control compared to original-era designs. 1954 Willys Jeep, custom build. Price, $59,000. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Brillion, Wisconsin. fully customized 1954 Willys Jeep built on a modernized performance chassis, combining classic Willys styling with hot rod style engineering and upgraded drivetrain components. This is not a stock restoration, but a heavily modified custom build designed for performance and street/show appeal. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering strong V8 performance well beyond the original factory capabilities. This setup is commonly used in hot rod builds for its balance of power, reliability, and parts availability. 1974 Kelson Sandpiper Dune Buggy. Price: $8,500. Location: Port Lavaca, Texas. A 1974 Kelson Sandpiper Dune Buggy built for light off-road recreation and beach or sand driving. This fiberglass-bodied buggy is based on Volkswagen mechanical components, following the traditional air-cooled Dune Buggy formula known for simplicity, lightweight, and fun handling. Power comes from a 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled Volkswagen engine equipped with dual carburetors, offering a modest but responsive setup suited for the buggy's lightweight chassis. The seller notes that the vehicle has had extensive recent work with many components described as new, suggesting a refreshed mechanical condition. 1973 Volkswagen Beetle hatchback. Price: $5,000. Mileage: 91,690 miles. Location: Lincoln, Nebraska. A modified 1973 Volkswagen Beetle that blends classic air-cooled simplicity with upgraded performance and suspension components. The car has been owned by the seller for nearly 9 years and received a rebuilt and upgraded engine in August 2024, making it a refreshed driver-quality classic VW. Power comes from a 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine built with ANA pistons and cylinders, an Engel 110 camshaft, and ball bearings. It is paired with an EMPI side exit exhaust system, giving it a more aggressive sound and improved exhaust flow compared to stock. The suspension has been upgraded with EMPI sway bars front and rear, KYB gas adjust shocks, front drop knuckles, and a lowered rear torsion setup. 1966 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price: $8,500. Location: Independence, Missouri. A fiberglass-bodied Dune Buggy built on a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle platform, featuring a rebuilt 1,776 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine and updated drivetrain components. This classic VW-based buggy is designed for lightweight recreational driving and offers a simple, fun, and mechanical driving experience typical of air-cooled off-road builds. Power comes from a rebuilt 1,776 cubic centimeters flat-4 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller notes that both engine and transmission have been rebuilt,